So these peppers are looking a little wilty, and this leaf looks like it's been beat up a little bit. I thought it was going to rain a little bit more after I planted them this weekend, but it hasn't been as wet as I would prefer. We didn't get any rain since I planted, and I was hoping it was going to have some natural water, but we haven't gotten that. So, of course, we need to add our own to perk things up. I'm going to leave it sprinkling here for about an hour. Now it's early, it's about 6:30, and it's a little bit cloudy and the sun hasn't fully engaged yet, so it winds up being better for the plants when the sun is not baking down on the leaves. So I just came out here to check on how things are doing, and there's a rabbit in here. So my fence is it's not rabbit proof. I'm going to put up some deer spray and rabbit spray, and then I'm going to talk about what I probably should have done and may still do, which is put chicken wire along the bottom edge to prevent. So since I saw a deer inside our fence here, we're going to put down this deer and rabbit spray. I've used it around my trees to keep deer away. It's quasi-effective for deer, but what I might plan to do is spray it along this bottom part of the fence all around, and even though the rabbits can get under the fence because I didn't quite put the chicken wire fencing around, this may at least act as a little bit more of a deterrent until I'm able to put the deer chicken wire in. Okay, here we go. Yep, I'm going to spray the whole fence, Benjamin. Yeah, you gotta stay away. We don't like the smell.
Bye.
Okay, I did a quick tour around. It doesn't take very long, a few spritzes along the bottom border, and we'll see if that helps, at least for a little while. Right, Benjamin?
Yeah.
Give me 5. Okay. So I think what's going on with these leaves is they're too close to the ground, and I think there might be just, they're getting damaged just from the soil, or for the mulch, any type of pathogens. So we're going to pluck some of these leaves off that are not so healthy, like right here, this guy. I'm just going to take him off, and all these low leaves I'm going to remove. I think that should be better for the overall health of it. My transplants here that I put in the cold frame have actually done pretty well. You can see their leaves are starting to come out, and they do seem to be thriving. It's been a couple of chilly nights here, so I put the lid down and keeps them a little bit protected. And as long as I keep them watered, these guys should continue to flourish. The ones in the ground, I think, have been victim to our rabbit friend, and also probably not hardening off the tomatoes.
Enough. Enough.
You want to fill it all the way up.
Enough. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I think that's enough, right, Benjamin?
Yeah.
Okay, now over there, Benjamin.
Mommy, that's
Okay, this one now.